Hi there. I just wanted to make you guys a really quick video on how to download your notes. I know we've gotten a lot of emails and questions. The first thing you have to do is you have to click on content up here. And then from content, it brings you a table of contents and you click on notes. And that'll bring you to the page that I'm at right now. From here, you do have a note-taking lesson that you're going to do. So you're going to read through the focused note-taking process. You're going to read through the facts, tips, and resources regarding note-taking. And then you're going to get to your English 8 intro notes. I think the thing that maybe is throwing a couple of you guys off is you see part of the notes right here, but in order for you to download them, you actually need to click on them. And then from there, it's going to bring you to another page that's going to allow you to download them. So first click on it, it'll take a little bit, and then it's going to bring you to the next page where it's going to allow you to download them. Once it takes it to that next page or takes you to that next page, you're going to see the same thing. It tells you when they're due. It tells you the priority standards. It says use this template to take notes in our Class Connect. And while you're completing the online lesson, you'll turn your notes in for a grade on 9/11. Make sure you add notes on each term listed. There's also room for you to add more at the bottom. From there, the notes are actually right here. So anything that you see in blue like this is an attachment. And if you click on it, that's going to bring up your notes. And so I added a note here that said these notes are attached in blue below. Please click on them and download them. Once you pull them up, please click on Enable Editing. So now all you need to do is click on these notes, and it should let you download the notes as a Word document, kind of like what it's doing right here. I'm going to open it up in Word. And then from there, you're going to see this yellow bar here. I'm going to click on Enable Editing. And then now you have your notes. So now you can see your notes and you'll see the priority standards again, but then below that you'll actually see the notes that you have to complete. And so you're going to write down 3 goals you have for school this year. Later on this week, in fact, I want to say today, you guys are going to be beginning your 6-word memoir and you're going to place that right there. Then sometime this week or next week, you're going to watch the tutorial on how to take a snip. It's right here. And then you're going to follow the directions. You're going to write down your teacher's name and information, and we told you guys how to do that. You go to content, course materials, resources, teacher contact information. You're going to find the academic integrity policy and take a snip of that and paste it over here. You're going to watch the What is Racist Writing Strategy tutorial. That was in the English 8 information lesson, which was assigned on Monday. So you'll watch that and then you'll answer the question over here. You'll find the online textbook. You'll explain how you find it over here. You'll explain how you set up your paper in MLA format, and you'll continue to fill these out. When you get to this one right here that says lesson 6.01, you don't need to complete these until we get to those lessons. And you'll see those lessons on the weekly work schedule here really soon. And so you'll answer these questions as you're completing these lessons here, lesson 6.01. And then eventually you'll also do lesson 7.02 in the next 2 weeks, and that's when you'll answer those questions. Okay, hopefully that helped and now you understand how to access your notes and how to download them. You will go through that exact same process anytime that you have to download notes for this class. So if we were to go back to that notes folder, if you continue to scroll, you'll see notes for units 1, 2, and 3. And so you'll see notes throughout the entire year that you'll need to be working on. We do notes once a unit, so just kind of be prepared for that. Okay, send questions you have our way.